Good morning, dear friends. Today we are going to study the summary of Father Returning Home, that is written by Dilip Chetri, who is born in Maharashtra itself. So this poem is taken from the Traveling in a Cage. Here, traveling is a cage. We can say a bundle of poem from where the Father Returning Home is being taken.
तू बोल के भाग गया। अब क्या होगा?
क्या करना ही है?
खाना नहीं खाएगा? वॉशरूम में जाने के लिए पानी कहाँ से आएगा?
पानी आ जाएगा, खाना पानी बस 8 बजे आ जाएगा सुबह।
मतलब सुबह अगर इंसान को वॉशरूम आया, बाथरूम आया कुछ,
तो वॉशरूम के लिए पानी होगा, जहाँ तक मुझे उम्मीद है।
अगर नल में एक बूंद पानी ना हो
तो यहाँ नहीं आ रहा है ना, इसमें आ रहा होगा। चेक करो, इसमें आ रहा है। वॉशरूम में जाना है ना, इसमें चले जाएंगे। आ रहा है पानी, चलेगा ना।
एक बर्तन ज़्यादा बर्तन यूज नहीं करने का।
दरवाजा बंद कर दीजिए। This poem is basically the Dilip Chitre dedicated this poem to his father. When his father returns at home, he finds that he can't share his feelings. His father drink weak tea. His father listen such music which has a single tone. In this poem, it draws a portrait of suburban commuter. Here, suburban means the cities which grew because of the urbans. For example, we'll take the Virar, Kalyan, and Bhandup. These are the suburbans of the main city. Which is the main city? Yes, Mumbai. Mumbai is the main city, and the suburbans are who? Kalyan, Bhandup, and Virar. So it portrays here commuters. It draws a portraits of a suburban commuters. Here commuter means the people who travel daily through bus or train. They are basically known as the commuters. In this poem, the poet shows the loneliness and world weariness of an old man who, in the modern society, who travel through the train, and when he returns to his home, he found that no one is there who can share his feelings with him. Even he can't share his feeling with others. Even his families, the childrens, can't share his feeling with the father. What the exactly Dilip Chitra feels about his fathers, and see the uh, uh, the imagination of the Dilip Chitra ji, with what imagination he have, and by taking himself at the place of his father, and he is writing this poem. This poem gives information about an old man who worked for his family, that no one shares his feelings with him. He lives a monotonous life. Here, poet says, when his father returned at home by traveling on the late evening, standing among commuters, the same thing I told you, that okay, then he found that the father pants are soaked with moisture. When we just when we come out from the local train, we found that okay, we are feeling some kind of humidity, humid, such kind of climate we able to see in the late evening. If you were traveling through the train, that you I know that you will know it very well. So let us move for further. And his father come, he found his eyes become dull with old age. As his father is old, so his eyes become dull. He compares his father with dropped who is unnoticed from the long distance. Here, what a line that Dilip Chitriji has written. It means that we have seen, we know that many droplets come with during the rainy season, but many are not noticed. Even we can't see during the notice. Even we can't notice them during the rainy season. So he compares his fathers, directly compare with whom? With whom? Yes, with the droplets, which is can't notice from the long distance. He says that at home his father drinks fig tea, already I told you. The poet can't share his feeling, already I told you. He listens a music, single tone, already I told you. And while listening to music, his father enters in the subcontinent which has a narrow path, dense forest. Yes, this line basically deals with the whatever he just he he just imagined what days he feels during his childhood, during when he used to stay with father. These golden days he used to remember, and he used to take a nap while listening a nostalgic music. Thank you so much. Keep loving and keep supporting.